But if we go there, to Nityadam, to the Prem Dham Vrindavan, then we'll understand what is real love. I have been many places in the world and lived many places, as many of you have also, I'm sure. And people have different colloquial and local terms and phrases to express friendship and bonding and love, and Spanish and German, Italian, many Russian, different languages. But only in the Braj Mandal is there this expression where men are speaking to men or ladies to ladies, or friends to friends, and the term is used Prem Bhav. Prem Bhav. And like someone may give something to someone. They say, "Why are you giving this? This is my prem. This is my prem. This is my love." I mean, prem in Hindi means love, but in Braj, it's the prem being expressed between one Brijvasi and another Brijvasi, which means one Krishna Parivar member to another. Because this is the land of Krishna. These are the people of Krishna. This is the place of Krishna. This is the Lila Bhumi. Everything is inseparably, and everyone and everything in Brajadam is inseparably connected with Radha and Krishna. Automatically. They can't help it.